Hey everybody, and welcome back to Dead Man DZ's Kanji Study Sessions. We got 10 or 12 new vocabulary words from the JLPT N1 list for you today, and as always, if we see new kanji in these words today, we're going to write them down 10 times, go over their readings, their meanings, and how to remember them based on the radicals that make up the kanji. If we see a new word but it's made of kanji we already know, we're just going to go over the meanings of the two kanji and how they come together to make our new word. If you don't want to listen to me write these down and say them out loud a bunch of times, feel free to skip ahead. If you just want these word lists, head on over to Google Drive. Our first word of the day is kobo. Ko on the left side for public, and bo on the right side for, I think, recruitment. Kobo no bo. For recruit, campaign, or gather. So you are gathering from the public something, or recruiting out of the public with public appeal, public offering, or an asking for an offering, or open recruitment. Kobo is open recruitment, or literally gathering from the public. Kobo desu. Kobo. Kobo is public offering, public appeal, or open recruitment. Kobo desu. Kobo desu. Kobo. Kobo is open recruitment. Or collecting something from the public. Kobo desu. Kobo. Number 2 is a hyogo. A hyogo is a motto, slogan, or catchword. From hyo for a signpost or a sign or a mark, and go on the right side for words and kind of language on itself. So hyogo is a representative or signpost word or motto. A motto, a slogan, or a catchword is a hyogo. The signpost or kind of trademarked word. Hyogo is a motto, slogan, or catchphrase. Hyogo desu. Hyogo is a motto, slogan, or catchphrase. Hyogo desu is a motto, slogan, or a catchphrase. A signpost language. Sign language. Not sign language, but marking language. Marking it of that company. Hyogo is a motto, slogan, or catchphrase. Hyogo desu. Number 3 is bohan. Bo on the left side for defense, defensive, and kind of stopping things from happening, protecting, and han on the right side for a crime. So this is bohan, literally warding off or protecting from crime. The prevention of crime or security devices that do the prevention of crime, like motion sensors and video cameras. Those are all bohan. Bohan is protection from crime. Bohan desu. Bohan is protection or prevention of crime or protection from crime. Is bohan. Bohan desu. Prevention of crime. Bohan desu. Bohan is the prevention of crime. Number 4 is our new kanji atcha. Hokani ko or ku for dirt, grime, or earwax. Atcha desu. Atcha. Radicals in this kanji are dirt on the left side and a queen or an empress on the right side. I guess you could think of it as like dirt in front of the princess, dirt, grime, or earwax. Atcha, hokani ko or ku is the earth at the feet of the princess, maybe drawing the comparison between the princess and the dirt, saying, look how dirty and grimy The dirt is, I don't know. Ko, ku, okani, aka is dirt, grime, or earwax. Ko, ku, or aka is dirt, grime, or earwax. Ko, ku, or aka. It's the dirt at the feet of the empress. Emphasizing just how dirty it is. Ko, ku, or aka. If you see it alone in a sentence, it's probably aka for dirt, grime, or earwax. Otherwise, probably ko or ku. Number 5 is a kire me. Kire or a kiri is a strip or a cut off section of something. So a kire is a cutting. And me on the right side means eye, but it means more like sight. The sight of some cut is a gap, break, pause, interval, cut, incision, or end. Me is often used in Japanese as kind of an aspect marker. It's a part of something. So a kireme is a gapping or cut part. Kireme is a gap, break, pause, interval, cut, or incision. It can also just mean the end. Kireme is a gap, break, incision, or an end to something. Kireme. Kireme desu. Kireme. Kireme. Number 6 is wari komu. Wari on the left side for splitting, and komu on the right side for crowded. So this is cutting into a crowd. Wari komu. To cut into a crowd. To interrupt. To wedge oneself into is a very close one. Or to drop below. Only when talking about stock prices is wari komu. To wedge oneself between, cut into, or interrupt is wari komu. Warikomu desu. Warikomu is to cut into, wedge oneself between, or force oneself in between some things. Warikomu. Warikomu desu. Is to force oneself between. Warikomu. Number 7 is a ningen zo. Ningen on the left side for a person, which we've already learned before, and zo on the right side for an image of something or a statue. So a ningen zo literally is a human statue, but it could also mean an image of an ideal person. Kind of zo being kind of given that a person who's always going to be in statue form is always going to be probably a pretty great person. Ningen zo is an image of an ideal person. A ningen zo desu. Ningen zo is an image of an ideal person. Ningen zo desu. Ningen zo is an image of an ideal person or human. Ningen zo. Ningen zo desu. Number 8 is our new e-adjective, mezamashi. You already know the word mezamashi doke, which is an alarm clock. So mezamashi comes from that, meaning opening one's eyes or waking up. So mezamashi is something that wakes you up. It's an awakening thing, but translated into English that means remarkable, striking, splendid, or wonderful. Really, it means like awakening. It's it's almost like enlightened, but not quite. So mezamashi is our new adjective meaning remarkable, striking, or splendid, but has a closer kind of literal definition of wakes one up. Mezamashi. Mezamashi. It's our new E adjective for remarkable or wonderful. Literally, it's a waking up thing. Number 9 is iro-ai. Iro on the left side for color and ai on the right side for joining or merging means the coloring of something, the tinge, how the colors come together and meet. It can also mean a flavor, nuance, or feel. Iro-ai, using iro in a metaphorical way for colors not being colors, and ai for how they are joined. So even when you're talking about taste, you can talk about it in terms of iro-ai, in terms of the flavor, nuance, or feel of it. Iro-ai is a flavor, nuance, feel, or the coloring of something, literally. Iro-ai is how the colors join with one another. Number 10 is hakki. Hatsu on the left side for kind of dispatching or sending out still. And ki on the right side are kanji for waking up or arousing. So this is the first dispatch and waking up of some proposal or promotion. It can also mean a spiritual awakening, which is kind of a more literal translation, hakki, to dispatch one's awakening. But usually it's talking about proposal or promotion of some idea. Hakki is discharging and showing or waking up that emotion to others. A proposal or a promotion is a hakki. Hakki is a proposal or a promotion of some idea. Hakki desu. Hakki is the promotion or proposal of some idea. Hakki desu. Hakki. Hakki. The discharge of an awakening. An awakening idea is a hakki. A proposal or a promotion. Hakki desu. The proposal or promotion of something. Hakki. Number 11 is hajiku, our new transitive verb for flipping, snapping, flicking, repelling, calculating, or strumming something. Hajiku, I play guitar, so it's, for me, it's a strum or a flick. You're flicking those strings, hajiku. And it's written with the same kanji as hiku, which is to play a stringed instrument. Same exact kanji for hajiku. Hajiku is to flip, flick, or strum something. Hajiku desu. Hajiku. You don't have to learn the kanji for right now. Apparently you don't need to know it for the N1 test, though it probably wouldn't hurt to know. It's the exact same one as hiku, to pull on a string. Gita o hiku. And finally, number 12 is kami kiru. Kami, or kamu, on the left side for the verb kamu, to bite, and kiru on the right side for to cut. So this is literally to cut by biting through. Kami kiru is to bite off or to gnaw through. Kami kiru desu. Kami kiru. Only confusing because there's another word called kami kiru, which is cutting one's hair, but that is just coincidence. Kami kiru is to bite, kamu, all the way through and cut. Kiru. Kami kiru is to bite or gnaw through. Kami kiru is to bite or gnaw through. Kami kiru desu. Let's go back to the top. Make sure we put some good pins in our brain where all these memorizations are going to go. Make sure you're making flashcards of these bad boys and you're studying them. And also make sure you immerse yourself in Japanese. That's the most important bit. Our first word of the day was public appeal or open recruitment with kobo, or public gathering. Kobo is gathering from the public or recruiting from the public. A motto, slogan, or catchword is a hyogo. Hyo on the left side for a mark, signpost, or sign. and go on the right side for words or language. Words or language that are a signpost or sign are hyogo. The prevention of crime or security of devices is bohan. Bo on the left side for defense and fending off or preventing, and han on the right side for crimes or offenses. Dirt, grime, and earwax is aka. Hokani ko or ku from our dirt before the feet of our empress. To cut into, to interrupt, or to wedge oneself into is wari komu. Wari on the left side from waru, to proportion out or to cut into, and komu on the right side for to be packed into or crowded into. Wari komu is to wedge oneself between things. An image of an ideal person or a person statue is a ningen zo. Ningen for people, and zo on the right side for either a statue or an image. Ningen zo is an image of an ideal person. Remarkable, striking, or splendid is mezamashi. Literally, it is an awakening, or it will wake you up. Is kind of the adjective form we're going for here. Mezamashi, literally to be something that wakes one up, but when we're trying to get it to English, it's more like remarkable or striking. The coloring, tinge, or flavor and nuance of something is its iro ai. Iro on the left side for coloring, or for colors, and ai on the right side for joining or merging. How are the colors joined or merged into this flavor or coloring? A proposal or a promotion is the discharge of an awakening, or a hokki. Hokki desu. Hokki desu. Hai. Hokki with hatsu or ho on the left side for to dispatch, and ki on the right side for waking up or getting up in the morning. Hokki is a proposal or a promotion. To snap, flick, repel, or strum is hajiku. Hajiku from the same kanji for hiku, gita o hiku no hiku. And finally, to bite off or to gnaw through is kami kiru. Kami on the left side for biting from kamu, or flat verb, and kiru on the right side for cutting again. Kami kiru is to bite off or gnaw through. Thanks for watching today, everybody. I hope you had a good Monday, and I will see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Domo arigatou gozaimashita.